Golf course views, mountain sunsets. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is pure comfort. Inside, you're going to find a light, bright home with plenty of room for entertaining. Plus, we're in the Johnson Ranch master plan lifestyle community, which includes a golf course, pickleball courts, tennis, parks, and so much more. Imagine starting your mornings with these beautiful golf course views, Santan Mountains, and this wide open space right from your backyard. Life can't get better than this. This one truly checks all the boxes. If you'd like your private tour, reach out to me. I'd love to connect.